Are you a freelancer, small business, or a multinational corporation? We have a solution to the biggest challenge you are facing in this video. So once you have built an awesome product or service, the next step is attracting a visitor and converting them into a paying customer. Do you know what is the best way for it? Whiteboard animation videos. Yes, they are one of the most unique ways for keeping your customers engaged. Let us understand the science behind it. When an online visitor comes across your website, there are plenty of information in the form of texts and images which explain how great your products or services are. But this is only doing half the work to grab your visitor's attention. After reading for a minute or two, the visitor might simply leave the site bored or uninterested, and you will have lost a potential customer. Today, people have an attention span of only 8 seconds, and in this time, you need to create a long-lasting impression. Now, let us assume you have a beautiful animated video which explains everything in a short and memorable format. What do you think? Would the visitor enjoy and remember the video or the long texts present on your website? Do you know a 1-minute video is equivalent to 1.8 million words, and that is a lot of information. In fact, it is interesting to see that people remember only 20% of what they see, 30% of what they hear, but over 80% of what they hear and see together in a form of a video. This is a perfect way of attracting a visitor. People are 40% more likely to share your content if it's delivered via video. Since your content is attractive and engaging, people will be sharing it through social media, and thus in return, it would bring more visitors to your website. This increase in your online traffic is reflected by the improved SEO ranking in different search engines. Now that your content is attractive, let's talk about conversion. Marketers report an increase in conversion when the content is delivered through a video because it helps customers really see what you do or sell. This increases the trustworthiness, thus enabling the visitor to take a better purchasing decision. It is also interesting to observe an increase in click-through rate by 250 to 300% when a video is added in an email. Let me repeat the most important message. People love videos, and you are the proof. You just watched one. To really stand out of the crowd and strengthen your brand, video is the best way to go. Let us help you build the best video marketing strategy for your business and skyrocket your sales. Contact us today at Deezark.com or mail us at contact@deezark.com.